This is a video about a product that I bought. It's a power hand grip for GoPro cameras and action cameras. Now I bought this because I intentionally bought a pistol grip, but when we were going on holiday or long days out or outings, along with some backup batteries, I actually bought this, which is basically a power bank in a grip. And what you get in here I bought this off eBay, so it's a no-named company basically, but I have bought one of these before and it lasted me quite a long while. The only reason why I got rid of it is because I had a GoPro session, and to sell the GoPro session for close to the money that I bought it for, I sold it with all the accessories that I bought and one of these. So I bought back, and the one that I had was a black handle and it was blue. These points at the top and bottom were in blue. This one's an all black one, which I like, so that's why I bought this one. This power handle, as you can see, it has a nice textured rubber grip on it, a 1/4 inch screw thread at the bottom, so you can mount it onto poles or even tripods. You can place a lanyard, which you get. There's room for a lanyard which you can place here, and that's the lanyard which you get, which is fully adjustable with the lanyard. You get a simple instruction booklet about it. You also get a camera mount with a 1/4 inch thread on the back, but I'll show you what you can do with that in a minute, so I'll put that to one side. You also get a tripod adapter here, so that can be screwed into anything that has a 1/4 inch thread at the bottom, and you can fit it onto here, which fits onto here. You get a screw and you get some cables. Now you get a short USB to micro USB cable. Now this is really for technically for GoPro cameras, the old GoPro cameras. I think it's basically from the Hero to the Hero 4, I think, that you can use these. If you want to use it with your Hero 5, 6 and 7, you have to buy a small lead, which is USB-C to USB to plug into it, because you don't get one with these. So you get that with it. And you get your charging cable, which is micro USB. Put that to one side. Now on the device itself, it has quite a bit of weight to it, so you really do feel it. A nice rubber grip. This is rubber as well. And you have a rubber door here, which you can open up, and which you have in here. This is your USB to what you're charging. So say I had a GoPro Hero on there, I would plug the wire, which is either the small one here or the other one, which is USB-C. You plug that into there. Make sure I got this right. that gets plugged into there and then into your camera. So that will charge it, and then switch it on. You press this little button here, which also shows you the power, how much power, 4 dots, 100%, 75, 50 and 25%. The small USB here is to charge the battery in the grip. Now the battery itself in this grip is a 5200 milliamp battery, which is as an output power of 5 watts and an input power of 5 watts. So this can be charged with your USB cable into here from a wall charger or from an adapter, wall adapter. Could charge this. Now I'll just get my GoPro here. Now here's my GoPro, and what you do is basically either way, you can fit it that way or that way. Line up your GoPro, line up the contacts. It's a bit stiff. It's a bit tricky, but because I'm doing this through a camera, basically you line up that. You line up that. And screw that. Now, if you had the cord, I can't do it on this case at the moment because I haven't took the door off, but basically, when you get this is a GoPro Hero 5. Now, what you basically do is, it would have been better off if I did that on that side, but anyway, you'd plug your short micro USB lead into here and bring the cord round and plug it into there, and you got constant power. Okay, this would be now powering your GoPro all the time. So I'll just show you on this one basically, but basically what I'm going to do is let me switch the camera around. There, I've switched the camera around to make it better. So basically, I can't do it with this lead, as I said. You basically would plug your short lead from there, and that will go into the camera. If it was a USB-C, this is not a USB-C that was supplied, and that will power, and that will go straight into there, and you can power your camera now. This will be constantly charging your GoPro battery in here, and you'll have basically all day to shoot with this handle, with this grip. Now, as I said, it's quite a weighty grip, so you do notice it in your hands. So you will get some good steady shots because of the weight of it. Now, you can also use this with an Osmo Pocket, and I'll show you how to set up that, because you get this with it, which is your phone mount. The back of here, the back of this, which I showed before in one of my videos, and this is an Osmo Pocket mount to your phone. Basically, the Osmo Pocket basically fits in here like so, and I cannot show you at the present moment because I'm using my phone to make this video, but I'll use my case as an example. And your phone goes in this case now. Sorry about this breaking. and your Osmo Pocket basically connects from your phone into here. Now, because you get one of these here, you can see it's a much bigger, thicker and sturdier one than the one you get supplied with this mount. So what you can do is take this off, screw this on, screw that on there. That's the original mount that came with this for camera mount and Osmo Pocket mount. Now, the purpose of pretending that I've got my phone, so I use this case, you can now place that in there, which is your phone, and your Osmo Pocket can fit in here. Can now fit in there, and you connect your Osmo Pocket to your phone in this case. Now I'll show you what you can do with this case, because now it's got a GoPro mounting system here. You can simply now put the whole system onto this. Which is there. And now with the same USB-C small lead, which you have to order separate because you don't get it with this power grip, you can plug that USB-C into the Osmo Pockets like so, and you've got a constant charge to your Osmo Pocket, and your camera is on your Osmo Pocket is now mounted same to the phone and can be used the same way. So without no fear of dropping either your phone or the Osmo Pocket. So you've got a simple setup here for capturing your videos and photographs just by using that with this handheld grip power bank. As I says, I haven't got my phone in here because I am filming with my phone to show you this video, but if you can imagine your phone here in this same grip attached to the Osmo Pocket on here, and you've got a perfectly nice vlogging setup or photographic setup with its own power base. So this hand grip you can get off eBay. It varies from country to country, so I do not know if you're looking in the United States, you'd have to look up a power bank, basically power bank handle grip. Same in England. I know I paid roughly about altogether for this power bank handle grip about £15, and I think it's well worth it because the one I had before was well worth it when I had my hero session. It saved me a lot of time because with the hero session you can't change the battery, so it was a constant power source for my hero session. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.